Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. So this is the end result. I did want to come back on here and just explain a couple of things to you guys that I noticed when I was redoing or rebraiding my hair. It took me approximately 5 days. I believe it was like 5 or 6 days, but I only redid like 4 to 7 braids in a day. I don't know how many braids I have. I really don't want to sit here and try to count them really quick. Okay, so I have 86 braids in my head with cutting my ends. I'm gonna make a separate video on that for you guys, but it took me 5 days. Today is now September 10th, and I believe I started on like Sunday, and today is Friday. So it took me about 6 days, and I did about 7 to 10 braids, I think, a day. I'm really not sure how many braids I did per day, but I just did a little at a time. I did most of my braids when my son was sleeping. So this is the end result, like I said before. One thing that I did start doing after I did this half of my head and noticed that I had a whole bunch of flyaways, I actually started using my lotion bar on my hair. If you haven't checked out that video, I hope that I remember to put it in the description box, you guys. I'm so bad with leaving the links in the description box, but I mean, the video is on my channel. You could just scroll and look for it, but I'm gonna really try to start getting better with putting the stuff in the description box for you guys. But I started using that lotion bar because I noticed that I had a whole bunch of flyaways, and so for only this front half I did not use the lotion bar, and I can tell that the rest of my hair is super soft. I didn't have as many flyaways, and I can just tell that my hair is thanking me for actually reapplying that lotion bar. Now for the big reveal. I'm pretty sure you guys are all wondering, like, how much hair did I lose? Yeah. Ooh. Getting a couple thumbnails. Okay, so seriously, this is how much hair I lost, and it's a grip. But my hair was up for 6 weeks, and I think what I'm gonna do is actually keep that ball of hair in for this next 6 weeks before I rebraid all of my hair. I am actually going to compare it, but I think I'm gonna start a new routine with my braids because I don't want to have that much shed hair come out the next time when I redo my hair. So just to let you guys know, I did redo my entire head. I could never do that with my micro mini braids because it just takes far too long, and it literally almost takes me a week to just get like this much done when I was trying to rebraid my micro mini braids. So I am actually going to keep this hair. I'm going to start a new routine. I'm going to come back in here and tell you guys what I'm actually going to be doing with my hair. So this is just the end result of what my hair looks like from me rebraiding my entire head, and I think that I can most definitely keep this routine up. If I go back to Kansas, like I said, in March or so, then that's only going to be 8 months. So I'm not going to be able to keep these particular braids in for a year. So just stay tuned for that. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.